we have better chances of getting that cash with this house.
You better tighten up.
There's a closet. Wait. Ah! Is there a light?
Tornado.
How'd I miss it? Oh, there it is. It's so dark. Okay. What are you doing, little Wonka?
You can wash your hands.
Yes, we can wash our hands. Did we open this?
I don't know what's on it.
This is your HVAC. You gotta know where that is.
The paint and I didn't wash my
You better tighten up. I'm telling you. Y'all better tighten up.
You should see the bathroom.
This is like the world's tiniest sink. But it gets the job done.
We already know whose room is this.
There's glass in there.
Don't touch it.
Tornado. Oh, there's a ruler. Tornado.
Every single year.
What's your favorite part of this house, guys?
The windows.
You like the windows?
I like the rooms. I like the rooms.
You like the rooms?
Oh,
And
this
the
has to
closet.
be my room.
I like the rooms.
It has
I
a lock
want
on
the
the door.
Why is there a lock up here?
I don't
It has
know.
to be my room.
I'm body. I'm body.
Yeah.
No, please don't get us body. And I like the kitchen too. Oh.
Guys, stop turning off the light. I need light. Okay, this is. What is this?
This
This looks like a doll.
So there's that.
is the water tank.
No way.
Oh.
Let them out.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Oh, glass.
What? That's a goat. It's a ghost in the house.
There, what?
It's a ghost in the house.
You found a ghost?
Yeah, because the lights is going off and on.
Oh, I think that's your siblings doing that.